You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation for more confusing vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to the channel, and until the end of the video we got tons more confusing words for you. Knack. Yes, the first K is silent, as expected somewhat, right? Just like knife or night. Knack. Knack. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.